Hello everyone, this is our blood group detection project using by Yolov8. This is our project PPT presentation. And this is our project final result. Now we can run this project simulation. In this project made by Python Flask framework and using HTML CSS for frontend and backend. This is a dataset for this project. This dataset took from the RoboFlow website. Now we run this project. This project run our local host. This is our project landing page. Now we can do the input image to make prediction. And we can write different label and different images. I hope you like this video. If you want to more video, like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.